Keyframes is one of the most important features in video editing. Basically, it is the markers that track how things should move or change over time. So in this video, I will show you 5 editing effects using keyframes in CapCut. Number 1 is light text effect. First, let's create your text. And scroll down until you see glow. We select this one. I'm gonna set the intensity to 40 and range to 30. Now point the timeline marker to the beginning and set a keyframe on the X offset and bring all the way to the left. Move to the end and set the X offset all the way to the right. Then it should automatically set another keyframe so that the glow effect will move from left to right. Yeah, it's cool, but to make it more cooler, let's add animation in the beginning. I select typewriter and set the duration to 1.5 seconds. Same thing without animation, the duration is about 1 second. Number 2 is color change. Duplicate your clip by copy and paste. For the top clip, we are going to remove background and select chroma key. Point color picker to the color you want to change. It would be better if there were no similar colors in the background. To make it more easier, you can hide the bottom layer so that the selected color is black area. Now set the intensity and shadow to get better selection. Then show the bottom layer and click on that. We are going to adjust and select color wheel. Bring the middle gray around and try to get any color as you like. You can also bring the offset, tint and shadow to get the exact color as you want. Once you finish, set a keyframe on the intensity, which this part the color has changed. Move a few seconds and set a keyframe on the intensity. Bring it to 0 to become normal, which this is where the colors start changing. Talking about color, if you are using Premiere Pro, then you should try this plugin to color grade your videos with just a few clicks by input a reference image. Yeah, it's Retouch For Me Color Match. If you never heard about Retouch For Me, this is AI-powered plugins for photography, retouching, and color correction, compatible with Photoshop, Lightroom, Premiere Pro, and more. So just go to Retouch For Me or click the link description below. Right here, you can find the product inside of video plugin. Scroll down and you will see Color Match. Then choose which program you are using. You can either try it for free or buy this plugin. Once you download, you can install and open the software. Right now I'm using Premiere Pro, so you can find the plugin inside of Effects. Scroll down until you see Retouch For Me plugins and drag Color Match to your clip. Now open Effect Controls, which you can use any reference image like screenshot from a film or any video as you want, and click on Match. You can also scroll down and adjust these settings to get better result. Just try by click the link description below and use my code to get 20% discount. Huge thanks to Retouch For Me for sponsoring this video. If you are interested in seeing how to retouch skin in video, let me know in the comments below. Now let's jump into the next effect. Number 3 is Parallax effect. I have made similar tutorial, which is a technique where the static image looks like a video. By separating each foreground and background in photo editing, you can make it 3D by adding keyframes in video editing. Simply set a keyframe on scale in the beginning, move to the end, and scale up just a little bit for background so that it's slowly zooming. Repeat the same way for middle ground by scale up even more so that the movement is a bit faster than background. The foreground should be more faster because it's close to the camera. If you want to learn more about parallax effect in CapCut, you can watch my previous video. It's free. Number 4 is underwater audio effect. Click your audio and we are going to voice changer. Under voice filter, we select underwater. I'm gonna keyframe when the camera droning. Move a few frames before the camera goes down. Set a keyframe and bring it back to normal or 0. The last one is Luma Key Transition. Bring both clips to the top and bring the first clip to the top again. Move forward the second clip somewhere right here. For the first clip, we are going to remove background and select chroma key. Point the color picker to one of the dominant colors, which is blue over here, and bring the intensity to 100. We set a keyframe on the intensity at the end of this clip. Move a few frames to the left and bring the intensity to 0. Now we add phase effect for our animation. So that's 5 editing effects with Keyframe in CapCut. I hope you find this video useful in some way. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.